we've got our center girder up. This is a 4x8, which will carry any center weight, will take any deflection out of the floor joists when we get them up. And as you can see, I've got a block in between. You can get by with just a 2x8 for a rim joist and just nail them into it. But I like to put the blocks in there because that keeps each joist sitting perpendicular. So we're going to start cutting joists and get them up here and get them ready to anchor down. Give me a thumbs up. I usually cut my blocks just a little bit under 14.5 inches where I'm running 16-inch centers. And that'll take up for, if there's a cup in this board here, it'll help to keep me on the line with my layout when I put the joist on. Well, we got all the floor joist in, thank the Lord. It kept looking like rain, which we've had a lot of rain lately, but we were able to get it on, or get the joist on. All the blocks seem to fit in there pretty good. I think that girder's going to be strong enough to hold a wall up. I had cut these joists, maybe 3 or 4 months ago, and I cut them just a little bit oversized so that when we got ready to use them, if they had did any kind of a bow or crown or whatever, we could kind of straighten that out on the sawmill, and it worked out really well. So I should have a good flat floor. I'll get down here and look across there, see how it planes out. Seems to plane out pretty good. Now I can take these sad looking batter boards down. It was so difficult to try to drive those stakes in the ground with all the rocks. You'd hit a rock and it'd go crooked. We've got a good straight edge down through there. got my boiled linseed oil here in just a bucket. I don't have a regular paint pan. Of course, I'm not really trying to make it look pretty. I'm just rolling this on pretty heavy.